Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful square pattern. I am using a 3-ply silk yarn and a 4mm crochet hook size, a cutter for cutting the yarn ends and a yarn needle. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this, and with the help of crochet hook make a magic ring like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch, which is second double crochet stitch including first 3 chains. Now make double crochet 3 into the ring. Make double crochet 4. Make double crochet 5. Then make double crochet 6. After making 6 double crochet stitches, pull the yarn, remove the crochet hook, go into the first stitch, which is 3 chains, go into the third chain, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through chain 3 to make a popcorn stitch. So this is a popcorn stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2. After that we would make another popcorn stitch into the magic ring. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then last one, double crochet 6. Now pull the yarn, remove it through the hook, take the hook to the first stitch, take the loop back onto the hook and pull it through the first stitch to make a popcorn stitch. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 again. Now again make double crochet 1 into the ring, make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. After making 6 double crochet stitches, again pull the yarn a little bit, go into the first stitch and pull this loop through first stitch, make 2 chains and then make the last popcorn stitch into this ring. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6, pull the yarn, go into the first stitch, take the loop back on the hook and then pull it through the first stitch to make a popcorn stitch. And our 4 popcorn stitches are ready. Pull the starting yarn end and close the magic ring. Now make 2 chains, and after that I would change the color for the second round. Now we would make a slip stitch at the top of first popcorn stitch with this chocolate color of yarn. So find the middle of these stitches and at the top of this make a slip stitch, and now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as our treble crochet stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 more, and after that we would work into the chain 2 space. So before that, cut this yarn and make knot of these 2 yarn strands, starting and ending yarn strand. Now here is our chain 2 space for the corner. In this chain 2 space we would make treble crochet. I was making double crochet. For treble crochet, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops and then through last 2 loops. This is our treble crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, because this would be for our corner. So these 4 chains I have made for the corner. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again. Go into the same chain 2 and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2 loops and through last 2 loops to make a treble crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains again. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again. Go into the space between this popcorn stitch and make a treble crochet in it. Make 2 chains again, chain 1 and then chain 2, and after that we have another chain 2 space for our corner right here. Make a treble crochet stitch into it first, then we would make the corner. So for the corner, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again to make a treble crochet stitch in this same chain 2 space of our corner. This treble crochet stitch is also called a triple crochet stitch. Make 2 chains again and then make a treble crochet stitch into the next popcorn stitch. Make 2 chains, make a treble crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Then make 4 chains for the third corner of our square pattern. Make a treble crochet into this chain 2 space again. In each of the chain 2 space we would make 2 treble crochet stitches, and between them we would make 4 chains for the corner, and after that we would make 2 chains and make a treble crochet into the bubble stitch, popcorn stitch. Make 2 chains. Here is our last chain to space. Make a treble crochet into it, and here is our last corner for the square pattern also. So make 4 chains here and make the last treble crochet stitch of this round into this chain to space. Then make 2 more chains and this is the second round. For the third round we would change the color again and we would make a slip stitch with this change color of yarn. So we would count the stitches from here. Here this chain 1, 2, 3, and into the third chain we would make a slip stitch. Into the fourth chain we would make a slip stitch, because 4 chains are included as treble crochet stitch. Now cut this yarn strand and make knots of these 2 starting and ending yarn strands. Now we would start working. Take these 2 yarn strands inside these round stitches so that we don't have to weave them separately. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this chain 2 space and make a double crochet stitch into it. Make another double crochet stitch into it, and first 3 chains are also as a stitch, so we have 3 stitches here. After that work into the next chain 2 space. Here is our corner, chain 4 spaces. In this chain 4 space make double crochet stitches 3 times, then chain 1 and 3 more double crochet stitches into this chain 4 space of our corner. So this is the pattern for our corner. Now cut these 2 yarn strands which we have woven already in these stitches. After this chain 4 space we have chain 2 space for the stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into this chain 2 space. After that we have another chain 2 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into it. After that we have chain 4 space for the corner again, which is our second corner. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into it. Then make chain 1, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into this chain 4 space of corner. So this is the pattern. Make 3 double crochet in every chain 2 space and 3 double crochet chain 1 and 3 double crochet in every corner. Complete the stitches. So I have made all stitches here. Now we would change the color for the last round also, and I am using the first round color. Make a slip stitch into the third chain with this change color of yarn. Cut this previous yarn, make knot of these 2 yarn strands and start working. Make chain 1. We would work into the back loops only. So first of all, take these 2 yarn strands inside our work, make a single crochet into this same chain 3 where we have made our slip stitch, and after that we have a double crochet stitch. These are the 2 loops, and we would work only in the back loop, which is here. So take the hook into this back loop and make a single crochet into it. Go into the back loop only, which is here. Make a single crochet in it. Go into the next double crochet stitch, back loop only, and make a single crochet. And in this way, go into only back loops of the next single crochet and double crochet stitches of the previous round, and make single crochets in each of them one time. Now cut these 2 yarn strands. We have woven them inside this single crochet round. Here is our chain 1 space. So go into this chain, not into the space, go into the chain 1, make a single crochet. Again go into this chain 1, make a single crochet again, because this is our corner. Then go into the back loop of the next single crochet stitch after this chain 1 and make single crochet in it. Then make single crochet in each of these next stitches. Make 2 single crochet in every chain 1 space of corner and complete the round. Now cut the yarn strand and remove it with the help of yarn needle. Weave this yarn end, go into the 2 loops of first single crochet stitch and then into the back loop, only back loop of the last single crochet stitch. So this is the perfect chain edging at the end. Now weave all these yarn ends with the help of needle. I have woven all the yarn ends here, and our beautiful square pattern with a very beautiful popcorn stitch first round is ready. So I hope you guys like it. Give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.